Hey everyone, my name is Brianna Daughtery, and this is my introduction to the MIT practicum. Just excited that we're finally here to graduate. Um, so a little bit about me. I am 28 years old. I started back 3 years ago to do my master's. I graduated from Vincennes University in 2016 with my bachelor's in elementary education and special education. I then went on to work for Vincennes University in the adult education role and English as a second language for almost 4 years. And then I decided to leave, and I have taken on a whole new role as an account manager at TrueRx Health Strategist, which is a prescriptions benefit manager. So I deal a lot with people, but completely opposite of what I had actually intended to do. I'm in the process of currently looking and feeling out other options. And because I do miss teaching, so I want to get back into that role. Um, so for my role that I do now, I currently manage other accounts. So I have a book of business that I deal with. I maintain all of their files and lots of other privacy health information that I can't share, but I do have that. My technology has definitely increased since I started this job, simply because I use it every day. I am looking at three computer screens for 8 hours a day. We do a lot virtually with COVID, so um, I use it constantly, and there's things that I've learned in the role that I have now that I wish I would have known in my teaching role. So I've kind of worked with one of my old coworkers to go back and forth on things to improve the program I was at previously. So when I started this program, I wanted to gain knowledge and to become a stronger leader in the classroom and to incorporate technology. I didn't have a whole lot of exposure to it while I was student teaching and things like that, so I really wanted to incorporate that. Um, and my mom had actually gotten her master's in this program, and I remember how much she thoroughly enjoyed it, and we're very similar. So I was young when she did it, but I do remember her doing classes. So I thought I would take a chance on it, and I really do enjoy learning, and I feel like I can apply it into not just my education role, but into my everyday life role as well. Um, so the biggest challenge that I have in my current role is it's very overwhelming. I have a lot to deal with, and I feel like there's a lot of pressure on me with my current position. Um, and it's really hard on myself, and I feel like I have to rely a lot because I didn't know anything coming from that field, so I have to rely a lot on my peers, and so that's the biggest challenge for me to overcome. My future plan is I want to get back into education. um, I miss what I do. I miss the interaction with my students. I miss being there to give someone that little extra shove, whereas and inspiring them and being that rock. Those are my future plans, and I am so excited to graduate in May, and I cannot wait to see where this degree takes me into my future career.